Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Chad. One of the easiest ways to make extra money is by having money earnings app on your phone. If you're always on the go, and even if you are a stay-at-home mom, there are apps that can help put more money in your pocket for gas or even to help pay a monthly bill, even shopping. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post one of these educational videos. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. Number 1, Swagbucks. Some of the tasks that you can do on the website to earn points are completing surveys, watching videos, and signing up for different fun offers. On the site, you earn points which are called Swagbucks, and once you get to a certain amount of points, you can redeem your points for gift cards. The cool thing about the Swagbucks site is that you can earn every single day, which makes it easy to earn points. So if you are looking for a great money earning app where you earn points on a daily basis, check out Swagbucks. Currently, when you sign up, you will get a $10 bonus. Number 2, Fetch Rewards. With this free app, you can turn any grocery receipt into rewards and earn cash back. Every time you go to the store, you can save on hundreds of products every single time just by uploading your receipts on this app. Simply scan your receipts after shopping and earn points. It's that simple. Number 3, Bodia. After signing up for Bodia, you can earn cash back on in-store and mobile purchases when you upload your receipts for shopping. When you log into this app, you simply select the items you plan to purchase, and once you purchase the items, upload your receipt onto the app and earn cash back. Once you hit $20, you can withdraw your money via PayPal or Venmo. The awesome thing about this app is that you don't have to pay a dime and can still earn cash back from products and items that you already buy. Number 4, Rakuten. If you love shopping online, then this money earning app is perfectly for you. With Rakuten, you earn money back by shopping online at stores such as Amazon, Target, and Walmart. A quick way to earn $25 quickly on the Rakuten app is by referring your families and friends to the site. Once they sign up and shop using the app, you earn $35. Another cool thing about Rakuten is that you receive a $10 welcome bonus when you sign up on the app. So if you are looking for an app to use to help you earn money back after shopping, this is a great one to look into. Number 5, Mindswarms. This isn't your typical survey site where you only earn $1 per surveys. On the Mindswarms site, you can earn $50 for every survey that you qualify for and complete. Most of the surveys are around 10 to 15 questions and take around 15 to 30 minutes to complete. Additionally, the surveys on this site must be completed by recording a video of yourself answering the questions, so if you're camera shy, this site would be a great way to earn an extra $50 per survey. Another pro about Mindswarms is that you will earn your $50 within 24 hours via PayPal. Userfeel. Userfeel is an awesome money earning app that lets you test out different websites and earn $10 per test. When you get accepted into a study, you will be given a scenario and perform certain actions on the website. Some of the tasks you might be asked to do are finding certain products on the website or to go through a checkout process. This helps different businesses know what they need to improve on their websites and what users like about their sites. Each test is an estimated 10 to 20 minutes and can be completed on your smartphone or home computer. Number 7, Foap. If you're a great iPhone or Android photo taker, then you might be able to make money from them with this app. Foap is a free app that lets you upload your photos right from your phone and put them up for sale on their app. You can even sell the same photo more than once, which gives different buyers the chance to purchase the images. The selling price of the photos on Foap starts at $10 and is split 50-50 with the Foap company, so you would take home $5 for each photo that you sell. Another one to earn money on Foap is by entering on the Mission Photo Contest. The prize to win in the Mission Photo Contest starts at $100. Sweatcoins. This money earning app is awesome if you love to work out and be active on a daily basis. With this app, you can earn points, which are called Sweatcoins, when you go walking. The app tracks your outdoor steps and rewards you with one Sweatcoin for every 1,000 steps that you make on a daily basis. This app is cool just to have on your phone because by the end of the month, you will be shocked by how much you already walked on a daily basis. Your coins can be redeemed for gifts such as watches, magazines, music, downloads, electronics, and more. Next is Over App. If you have a ton of stuff around your house that you don't use, you can totally use the OfferUp app to sell unwanted items. This money-making app lets you post up items on their app and sell them to people in your town. GigWalk. GigWalk is a cool money-making app that gives you the opportunity to make extra money while on the go. With this app, you can find quick jobs in your area and complete the daily task. For example, you might pick an assignment that requests you to take photos of a certain product inside a certain store. Once you complete the assignment, you earn money. A GigWalk assignment can take anywhere between 5 minutes to a few hours to complete depending on the assignment. The payout for each assignment varies, but you can make between $3 to $100 from each individual assignment. Field Agents. Similar to GigWalks, Field Agents is a free app that lets you earn money from completing assignments in your local area. You can make between $1 to $12 depending on the assignment that you complete. Apps similar to Field Agent help companies serve their customers by gathering information that field agents collect from the assignments. Each job can take up to an hour or less to complete and come on a first-come basis. So if you see an assignment that you want to participate in, grab the job quick. Next is Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. This money-making app is one of the best ones if you are looking to make passive income in your phone. The Nielsen Company is the world's largest provider of marketing information. Through their services, they help businesses build solid content and services to help better serve consumers. With this app, you download it, and if you keep it on your phone for a full year, you will be rewarded $50. The app collects data from general phone usage on your phone. Additional ways to make extra money. Respondent is a really cool site that posts up different products and assignments that you can apply for. Most of the assignments are $20 up and often conducted by a live video or through a survey. The assignments vary, but some of the topics covered are in technology, healthcare, online business, electronics, and much more. Pinecone Research is the same as Vinyl Research and has been around for many years and is one of the best survey sites to earn money fairly quickly. They have all the high-paying service, unlike some survey sites. There you have it. Hope this helps, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Like and share this on social media as well, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye-bye!